Hi, my name is Abdul Karim Qureshi, and in this video, I want to teach you about Hotbit Exchange. And today, our lecture is about how we can deposit our fund into Hotbit Exchange. Like if I want to deposit Bitcoin or USDD or Ethereum or whatever I want to deposit into my Hotbit Exchange wallet, how I can deposit it. This is the main topic of today. We are getting started here. If I want to deposit USDD, first of all I will click on um, deposit button here. You can see the deposit and withdraw button, and if you want to deposit your fund in USDD, click this deposit button here, and you will see select the blockchain ERC 20 wallets or TRC 20 wallet. These are the types of wallets here. First of all, you select the wallet through which wallet you want to receive money. If you want to receive money through TRC 20 wallet, the wallet address will be generated here. The address has been generated here. Simply copy the address and paste into the person to whom you are sending this address to receive US dollar, right? Just copy this address and send this USDD wallet address to the person to whom you are receiving USDD. Okay, he will send you USDD on this address, correct? This was the method of USDD deposit into Hotbit Exchange. But if you sending the TRC20 wallet, you have to inform that person that I have uh, creating US TRC20 wallet. And if you are sending an ERC20 wallet address, then you have to inform that person that you sent him ERC20 wallet. Okay, you can see the difference between ERC20 wallet and TRC20 wallet here. You can see here there is a lot of difference. They are creating different addresses. Okay, just simply just copy and send to him, the person to whom you are receiving USDD, he will send you. Okay, correct. And this was the method of deposit. And now I want to uh, tell you about how we can receive Bitcoin. Okay, for Bitcoin, this is the Bitcoin here. Just simply, if you want to deposit Bitcoin, uh, click the Bitcoin deposit button, and then click BTC, and the address Bitcoin address deposit address will be generated here. This is the wallet address. This is your wallet address. Okay, correct. Simply copy this address and send to the exchanger or your friend, to anyone to whom you are going to receive Bitcoin. He will send you the Bitcoin on this address. Okay, correct. This was the simple way to receive Bitcoin or deposit Bitcoin into your wallet. Okay, next we can receive also Ethereum or XBC or any currency you have here. If you want to receive any currency, just you can see the front of the currency. One button is deposit and other one is withdraw button. If you want to deposit, then click the deposit button, and if you want to withdraw, then just click the withdraw. I will make a new video about how to withdraw money from Hotbit Exchange. You can see that. Okay, first in this video we are just talking about deposit only. Okay, if you want to receive Bitcoin or deposit Bitcoin into your Hotbit wallet, you can just simply click the deposit button here and select the wallet. I already explained before types of wallets, and you can also read the notices here, importance here, what the difference, or why we have to select ERC20 or TRC20 or BP20. There is a difference. They are coins will be deposited immediately after 100 network confirmation. This is depositing very late. After 100 confirmation, it take a lot of time. Sometimes it goes up to 24 hours and 5 hours and 10 hours, like this. ERC20 is this the best one for Ethereum. This time coins will be deposited immediately after 30 network confirmation, and sometimes network confirmation clearing varies within no time. It doesn't take a lot of time to confirm their network confirmations. Yeah, anyway, this is a small difference between the wallets, and you can see the Hiko wallet. They are offering 32 network confirmation, like this. They are offering about zero network confirmation. I think this is the more fast than this all, and you can send this time through this wallet, and they are immediately sending your Ethereum into your wallet. Anyway, most people are using ERC20 or TRC20 wallets to receive money. Anyway, this is the best one to select one. ERC20. This is not a good. 30 network information is not a big. It will be cleared very soon. Okay, immediately on your network. Okay, first you click on any wallet you want to save, like this, or what you want. Just click the copy address and send to the person to whom you are going to receive Ethereum. He will send you on this address, and also inform him this is the ERC20 wallet. Okay, in this video I teach you how we can deposit fund into Hotbit Exchange. Hope you will like my videos, and definitely will subscribe my video as well to connect to each other, inshallah. And next video I will make more videos about Hotbit Exchange, where you can learn more and more. So don't forget to subscribe my video, and like my video, and comments. If you have any question, you can send me comments here below the video. I will answer your question. Okay, thank you.